Welcome back to Displacement Garage. My name is Carisha, and today we're working on a free marketplace project. This is going to be the hood replacement for my 2000 Mustang GT. This is a 99 to 01 Cobra Mustang hood. Sun faded, damaged, backed into, and now he's ready for retirement. Something I'm excited about the 99 to 01 Cobra hood is I don't have to see the honeycomb grill insert from the front anymore. That's something that I've never really liked about the stock GT hood. The hood has been the absolute last thing on my mind whenever it comes to repairing Houdini. The hood has definitely not been a priority. I have, however, been dreaming about the carbon fiber heat extractor hood. It's just so dreamy. I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace to see if anybody was getting rid of one. There's been a few that have popped up, but they haven't been carbon fiber or they've been heavily damaged. This one actually popped up on Marketplace and I had liked it for a little while, and then the person ended up marking it for free. Even though it needs a lot of love, I think this hood is going to be just the look I wanted for Houdini. Some spots on the hood are all the way down to fiberglass, and then they've kind of just done like a dusting of red spray paint on top of them. Some places are just bubbling clear coat and everything in between. This project has taken me about 3 days so far to get through. I've got it currently mounted onto Houdini. I've got the underside of it painted so far, and I also have heat shield from underneath Houdini's OG hood, and I've put it back on this one. With this hood installed, I'm going to go ahead and go through the entire body work on all of the outside of Houdini and go ahead and nail down every single thing that's wrong with the outside of him. Then I'm going to go ahead and fully primer and paint and get this baby out of the shop. It's time for Houdini to have some real paint on him that's not crackling and bubbling and looking all kinds of crazy. I'm ready to get this thing in the paint. I've been working extremely hard out here trying to get everything done, and I'm so ready to see this car done. I'm so excited for it. Thank you all so much for your love and support on everything Mustang Houdini. Don't forget to swing by DisplacementGarage.com for all of our merch. We have a whole lot of RGB headlights and taillights and underglow, keychains, new merch. We have new vendors, so we're doing better quality t-shirts and hats. You guys are going to absolutely love them. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye!